Hey everybody, this is Jeremy. Today we are going to be working on Morton, but there's somebody else that we need you to meet, and that would be Kevin. Some parts that we needed, and the seats were removed, the bench seat was removed, so we decided to buy a parts car, and I would like to introduce you to Kevin, who is our parts car. So this is Kevin. He is a 1967 Chevy Bel Air. The reason why we went ahead and got this is the bumpers are the correct bumpers for Morton, as well as the bench seat and some dash parts and things like that we can take off of Kevin to use for Morton's. Kevin has come a long way. Let me show you some of the things that we've had to do to prepare Kevin for taking him apart piece by piece. One thing that I did was we needed a place to do that. I have a one-car garage that currently has my Barracuda in it, and so we needed to build a place temporarily so I could take this apart and not completely die of the heat here in Florida. So I extended the fence, put in a double gate that I need to finish painting. Yes, I know. So we can get Kevin in the back. When Kevin arrived, he was placed in the front of the yard. As you can see, I have plenty of cars and not a whole lot of room. We were able to pull Kevin in the back and started to take him apart. And I did get this temporary shed, if you see here, which is perfect because I don't think I'm going to need it forever. So it's just a temporary thing. Yeah, today I'm going to be attempting to remove the bumper, set the camera up, and get started.